Kalong kesengi ke bakamen bat sajin kenmai ke Riboy College, hadian baka sorkar jela kalamang ke sanction post ling baka People's College Grant in Aid Scheme. Kalau ada penbang kat lai teliki sanction post nak bentar kita kibala don lupa hang ke college, bat sakat prateli ki post bala penbang temai kata bakentu bikin nong hikai bat kin nong trei jong ke college. Hakatika sengi la don ringkat ubah lakmen rumboi menteri ketanat puli putih ke sorkar ubah long ke mukongsan. Haka jing don ringkat lang u Dr. Didi Lapang nong aibuit ke sorkar jela. UMLA ke nong po constituency ubah Merrill Bonds aim. UMDC ke nong po constituency ubah Balaji Rani bat kiwe ki officer ki bakentupi ke kong FM Lakyang ADC ke Riboy District. Bat kiwe lem ki nong kit kam jong ketika college. Kiba kuntubi u principal ka Riboy College uba SSR Bamon ka secretary ka governing body ka Riboy College ka kong WK Bla ki nong hikai bat ki samla puli ki bala pen po pen pieng ya ka tekasngi.
Mr. Romui have been bringing and longing to see this day since college has started back from year 1984, ups and downs. We have been toiling day and night. We have been using our midnight oil all the day. Sometimes we lost hope. Sometimes we get support, encouragement. Sometimes we hear the voices say to fight, to strive, and not to yield. On this encouragement, we crawl and we walk ups and downs till we reach this time, this day. This is a very special occasion to mention, to upgrade our college as one of very few in the state. We're thankful to the government that they have found it fit. The River College been included in the list, and we got this announcement to you. Your kind presence gave us really encouragement and a better light. The horizon of hope is creeping our shade. Well, we are thankful for the chief guest that he has spared his time. We have been arranging several days. Dates are kept. He comes here and we keep on shifting due to the pressure of work. As a Minister of Home, Education and other responsibilities, it's a very tough time with the situation that disturb the peace and the way of life in the state, and all the more with the existence of the pandemic, which have created havoc and created all the fear, psychosis in the mind of each and everyone. When precious souls have been taken away from among the family, and also fellow friends, and facing tremendous problem. Well, in spite of all this, we have today, and on behalf of the college, as the president of the college, I express my very sincere thank you, sir, that you have been here. We come here with purpose. Purpose means to see that we have really put the flag of success, that we have stepped up to this. The world is challenging. We have a lot of challenges of life, a lot of challenges of the procedures, the way of life, and the changing of
college. We will start subject to the necessary permission of the ICPE. We hope that the College of Planning and Architecture in Durham will start next year subject to the approval of regulatory authority. These are the things which are in the pipeline in the field of higher education. Mount Clark College, Science College, we hope to start next year. This we are all doing for the benefit of the community, moreover to fulfill our responsibility to give back to the society. We are not doing our job in the primary for the welfare of the student. The scholarship which the merit scholarship which the student get 100 per month, we have increased to 700 for those students who qualify in that merit scholarship. Not only that, post-matric scholarship for all these years, which is about 4,000, 5,000. Last year, in one decision, we increased it from 15,000 to 35,000, depending upon the category or the course which the students are doing. But a very sad thing, prior to 2018, about tens and thousands of students applied for scholarship. But last year, only around 7,000 students benefit from scholarship. The problem is that the income limit. I have written to the ministry that they should increase the income limit to 4.5 lakh. If they increase, many of the student community will benefit. So it is a work in progress for the student welfare also. Besides that, for primary school, for elementary and secondary school, 191 LP schools have been sanctioned for accreditation, and secondary school and high school schools also with new building. And we hope that this year will treatment, because we know that LP schools all over the state, they are in a very shambles. So we want to give the infrastructure, because for quality education, you have to have.
This is the inception of this beautiful college that has had a foundation in this very, very beautiful place now. It is like a dream come true, as I have said, that today the Honorable Minister in charge of education himself is coming to hand it over, that Recoy College will be regarded as the People's College to grant the aid scheme government. This initiative, we have seen the proactive steps taken by the government with regards to education. We have seen since Sarambui has taken over as the education minister, there are many bold steps that has been taken. Even though it has been taken quite a few some time to deliver, due to many reasons known to everyone, especially due to COVID-19. But today, we are happy to be here that this college will be regarded as a people's college. Thank you so much, sir. And we know the groundwork that you have done by yourself. We know the groundwork that have done by the officer concerned, by the bureaucrats, be it at the secretariat, be it at district level, and we are happy to see that education in our state, it has going from strength to strength. Not only the special recognition of the 9 colleges within the state as the People's College. Positive step has been witnessed with regards to strengthening of the lower primary school within the state. We cannot deny the fact. We cannot deny the fact. Even in our area in Recoy district, many government school, government LP school, they have been assisted with many infrastructure with regards to proper classroom, with proper teaching, where we have seen that many teachers' new recruitment has been done through MTech. This is a great achievement by the Education Department. Not only to have the proper infrastructure at the ground for the lower primary, for the upper primary, but at the same time to have a quality education.